Hey, everybody. Good morning. We're going to continue on our lesson today with a quick word review. I know we've done this in class a few times, and I want to make sure that we're good to go with our assignment today. So this will only be a few minutes. This will not be long. If you need a little refresher, if you need to remember what your words are, just listen to me and you'll be good to go. Remember, a source is someone or something that gives you information, something that tells you things. In school, if you have an assignment and you find your information from a website, that website is a source. If you find your information from two websites, one website is one source, the other website is the other source, okay? So it's wherever you find that information from. That's a source. Dictionary, we know what a dictionary is. It gives you the meaning of words. It also gives you the type of word it is. So if it's a noun, a verb, an adjective, and so on. And it also tells you different ways the word might look. So if I look at the word run, it will say run, runs, ran, running. The next one is what I call the dinosaur word because it kind of looks like and sounds like a dinosaur. A thesaurus. Let's say that again. Thesaurus. A thesaurus allows you to look up a word and then it will tell you what other words are synonyms, what other words are the same in definition as the word you looked up. So if I look up the word great, as you can see right here, all these words you can use instead of using the word great. So that's a really good thing when you're writing and you don't want to use the same word more than once. You can actually go to thesaurus.com. I think it's thesaurus.com. Maybe I'm wrong. Yep, thesaurus.com. I'm going to type in mean and look at this. Bada bing. It tells you what other. So look, all these different definitions. Yeah, there we go. Evil, dirty, nasty, rough, vicious, vile. Okay, it tells you different words that you can use instead of that. All right, next. We have encyclopedia. Just think of encyclopedia as having all the information in the world. It's not necessarily detailed, but it will have information about really anything. Lights, towels, flags, the United States, China, religion, Islam, Christianity, so on. An atlas is my puppy, but also a book of maps. That's why we named him Atlas, because my wife and I like to travel. But an atlas is just a book of maps, okay? There's really not much else there is to it. A manual is a good word because it's a book that tells you how to do something or tells you things that will help you understand something. So each car has a manual that will allow you to learn about the car, help you use the car. Manuals help you put together furniture, they're kind of in every part of life. If you ever buy like a coffee maker, you'll have a manual with that. If you buy a microwave, you'll get a manual with that. All these things that you order, that you use, usually have some sort of manual. An autobiography is a book written about someone's life, and they wrote it. So whose ever life is in the book, that same person wrote it. The opposite is with a biography, okay? A biography is about someone's life, but someone different wrote it. And then we have our other four words. For the assignment today, you're not going to put table of contents, glossary, index, and bibliography down when you do the assignment. I'm going to repeat them real quick just because it's useful to know, but these four words will not be for the assignment today. The table of contents organizes by page number, different parts of the book. Glossary is like a dictionary, but inside of your book, it tells the definition of hard words. An index goes by ABC order. It's in the back of the book, and it shows you what page different words can be found. And then a bibliography is all the sources that are used in a book. Okay? And that's it. Those are our words. So you're going to go ahead and go to the next slide, and we will get into our assignment. Thank you for watching, everybody.